PPSC Past Paper Sub Inspector Punjab Police Service Quota 2019 Solved Test. Muzdalifah is located between A. Mecca and Medina, B. Mina and Arafat, C. Mecca and Taf, D. None of these. Pakistan became a full member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization in A. 2015, B. 2016, C. 2018, D. 2017. What is the old name of table tennis game? A. Puna, B. Ping pong, C. Ching chang, D. Chirik dong. 4. Imran Khan was recently sworn in as Pakistan's Prime Minister. A. 19th, B. 20th, C. 22nd, D. 21st. 5. Which of the following is the oldest search engine? A. Google, B. Yahoo, C. Web crawler, D. MSN. 6. Which number key is used with shift to type %? A. 0.4, B. 0.5, C. 0.6, D. 0.7. 7. Which of the following software is used to prepare presentation? A. MS Word, B. Excel, C. PowerPoint, D. Access. 8. In MS Excel, if a numeric value starts with underscore, then this value can be treated as label. A. Hash, B. Apostrophe, C. Equal sign, D. Type. 9. Which word is wrongly spelt in the following set of words? A. Ability, B. Variety, C. Energy, D. Capacity. 10. A computer on internet is identified by A. Email address, B. Street address, C. IP address, D. Login password. 11. When was the first regular session of Muslim League held? A. November 1907, B. December 1907, C. September 1907, D. August 1907. 12. Where is Al-Azhar University located? A. Jeddah, B. Cairo, C. Tripoli, D. Damascus. 13. According to which amendment suspended Constitution of 1973 was restored? A. 7th Amendment, B. 8th Amendment, C. 9th Amendment, D. 10th Amendment. 14. The first Nobel Prize to be awarded to a South Asian was to A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Sir C.V. Raman, C. Dr. Abdul Salam, D. Dr. Amartya Sen. 15. Who was a prominent Punjabi folk music singer of Pakistan, credited with popularizing the musical term Jugni? A. Inyat Hussain Bhatti, B. Alam Lohar, C. Tafiyar Niazi, D. None of these. 16. Which of the following political parties did not boycott the Simon Commission? A. All India Muslim League, B. Indian National Congress, C. Unionist Party, D. Hindu Mahasabha. 17. Which of the following options is not a valid PowerPoint view? A. Slideshow view. B. Presentation view. C. Slide shorter view. D. Normal view. 18. Unwanted repetitious messages, such as unsolicited bulk email, is known as A. Trash. B. Calibri. C. Spam. D. Courier. 19. Which of the following is not an application software? A. PageMaker. B. Windows NT. C. WinWord XP. D. Photoshop. 20. Which regiment of Pakistan Army has received maximum numbers of Nishan-e-Haider? A. Balik. B. Sindh. C. Punjab. D. Frontier. 21. Suez Canal links Mediterranean Sea directly to the A. Caspian Sea. B. Red Sea. C. Persian Gulf. D. Black Sea. 22. Taekwondo is a popular form of martial arts. From which country did Taekwondo originate? A. Japan. B. China. C. Korea. D. Malaysia. 23. Why is the ozone important for mankind? A. It releases oxygen in the air. B. It maintains temperature of the earth. C. Protection from UV rays of sun. D. It releases hydrogen in the atmosphere. 24. Siraj Raisani belonged to which political part? A. Pakistan Muslim League N. B. Pakistan Muslim League Q. C. Baluchistan Awami Party. D. Awami National Party. 25. Antalya Airport is situated in A. Syria. B. Turkey. C. Egypt. D. Italy. 26. From which word akida is derived? A. Acade. B. Act. C. Accolade. D. Taqalid. 27. The underscore option is used to show a specific row or column on every printed page. A. Page layout. B. Print preview. C. Print title. D. None of these. 28. Underscore as a computer software whose user interface NP resembles that of printer driver. A. Plotter. B. Virtual printer. C. Italy. D. Egypt. 29. MS PowerPoint is an example of A. Multimedia software. B. Graphic software. C. Spreadsheet. D. Entertainment software. 30. Which of the following is not an example of Internet browser? A. Firefox. B. FileZilla. C. Safari. D. None of these. 31. CPU is an example of A. Software. B. Output. C. Hardware. D. Program. 32. A collection of related worksheets is called a file. B. Workbook. C. Group. D. None. 33 print inputters. A. An error. B. Execution. C. Syntax. D. Logical.
34. In MS Word 2007, to select a column of the table from bottom to up, press A Alt plus page up, B Shift plus Alt plus page up, C Ctrl plus page up, D Ctrl plus Alt plus page up.
35. Add or remove programs. Is A productivity software, B file manager, C utility program, D device driver. 36. In interstate relations, CBM stand for A. Cash book management, B. Confidence building measures, C. Central Board of Minorities, D. None of these. 37. Cooking gas is mixture of which of the following two gases? A. Methane and carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen and nitrogen, C. Butane and propane, D. Oxygen and methane. 38. What is the name of Iranian President? A. Syed Ali Khamenei, B. Hassan Rouhani, C. Jawad Zarif, D. Kamal Kharazai. 39. First Barani University is established at A. Hyderabad, B. Rawalpindi, C. Lahore, D. Karachi. 40. Where is located the headquarters of UNHCR? A. Paris, B. New York, C. Geneva, D. Moscow. 41. Hazrat Yunus remained in the belly of the fish for A. 0.20 days, B. 0.30 days, C. 0.40 days, D. 0.50 days. 42. A bus with 32 data line can transmit how many bits at a time? 8 bits, B. 16 bits, C. 32 bits, D. 1024 bits. 43. The shortcut for undo is A. Ctrl U, B. Ctrl D, C. Ctrl Z, D. Ctrl O. 44. Which of the following is caused by bacteria? A. Malaria, B. Tetanus, C. Cancer, D. Rabies. 45. The Hansi tribe is settled in A. Punjab, B. Sindh, C. Baluchistan, D. KPK. 46. Google has its headquarters in A. New York, B. Washington, C. California, D. San Francisco. 47. First President of Pakistan, Iskandar Mirza, buried in A. Mashhad, B. Tehran, C. Bait ul Maqdis, D. Bukhara.
48. Pneumonia is an infection of the A. Skin and gums, B. Lungs, C. Blood, D. Nervous system.
49. The best source of vitamin C is A. Meat, B. Potatoes, C. Oranges, D. Butter. 50. A famous book, Neither a Hawk Nor a Dove, is written by A. Aziz, B. Dr. Maliha Lodhi, C. Khurshid Kasari, D. Goha Ayub. 51. Masjid A. Hanif is located in A. Makkah, B. Mina, C. Medina, D. Muzdalifah. 52. The famous place, Makli in Sindh is A. Park B. Museum C. Graveyard D. Fortress. 53. When was founded Regional Alliance, ASEAN of 8 independent countries of Southeast Asia? A.1962 B.1967 C.1965 D.1969. 54. Bootlegging is a form of. Bootlegging is a form of. A. Drugs B. Sketchers C. Smuggling D. Indian religion. 55. Founder of WikiLeaks was Julian Assange. He belonged to A. Spain B. Australia C. Russia D. Germany. 56. The earth and the heaven were created by Allah in A. 5 days B. 6 days C. 7 days D. 8 days. 57. There has been a fall _ prices A on B and C to D with. 58. Devoid means including B. Fraud C. Lacking D. Correlating. 59. Choose the correct article. I don't like _ dogs. A and B. A. C. The D article not required. 60. What is antonym of vindictive? A. Careless B. Forgiving C. Revengeful D. Refined. 61. The synonym of abandon is again B. Occupy C. Vacate D. Foil. 62. Which word is wrongly spelt in the following set of words? A. Ability B. Verity C. Energy D. Capacity. 63. 6 tenths are the same as A. 60 B. 0.6 C. 6.0 D. 0.06. 64. If 2 ratio 7, 49 if 2 ratio 7, 49 A. 9 B. 14 C. 52 D. 28. 65. Decimal form of 5.3% is A. 53 B. 0.53 C. 0.0053 D. 0.053. 66. A man buys an article for 27 rupees and 50 paise and sells it for 28 rupees and 60 paise. Find his gain percent. A1 B2 C4 D3. 67. Largest perfect square between 4 and 50 is A25 B36 C49 D45. 68. Solve 8 over 0.2. A4 B40 C1.6 D16. 69. The age of C is average age of A and B is 30 years. That of B and C is 32 years and the average age of C and A is 34 years. The age of C is A 33 years, B 36 years, C 34 years, D 35 years. 70. By converting 142.5% into decimal, answer will be A 0.1425, B 1.425, C 142.5, D 14.25. 71. A ratio equivalent to 3:7 is A 3:9, B 610, C 921, D 1849. 72. The average of 5 quantities is 6. The average of 3 of them is 4. What is the average of remaining 2 numbers? A 9, B 10, C 8, D 9.5. 73. The ratio of cost price and selling price is 4:5. The profit percent is A 10%, B 20%, C 25%, D 30%. 74. A TV is purchased at 5,000 rupees and sold at 4,000 rupees. Find the lost percent. A 100, B 20, C 25, D 28. 75. A batsman make a score of 87 runs in the 17th inning and thus increase his average by 3. Find his average of A 36, B 40, C 39, D 33.
subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.